How to change your email address on Facebook on Android. This tutorial shows you how to update the email linked to your account. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. After that, tap the three lines at the top left of your profile page to open the menu. At this point, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Then, find Account Center from the options. Following this, tap Profiles and Personal Details. From here, tap Contact Info below Personal Details. After that, tap your current email address to open the edit options. At this stage, tap Add a new email to enter a new email address. Following this, type in your new email address and tap Add Email. From here, Facebook will send a confirmation email to your new address. Open that email and tap the confirmation link to verify it. Finally, once verified, you can set the new email as your primary address and remove the old one if you no longer need it linked to your account. That's how you change your email address on Facebook on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.